And one thing I'll share here with you guys is that it's not all about the interest rate. Many times we think that, oh, I'm just going to go with the highest interest rate. But one of the things I've learned is that it's also about the comfort, it's about the confidence, the trust, and the familiarity that you have with any organization out there. Hey, everybody, welcome back to another video. I've spent the past year researching and testing the best savings accounts so you don't waste time or money. Here are the ones worth your attention in 2025. All of these options are FDIC insured, and they also have no minimum deposits and no minimum balances in order to keep your account. Now, the first option we've got here is social finance, aka SoFi, and it's one of the most popular options that I've seen out there nowadays in 2025. The current interest of this organization, it's at 3.8% with direct deposit, and you can take it all the way to 4.5% for up to 6 months if you sign up with SoFi Plus. Now, SoFi Plus is an additional service that you get when you sign up with SoFi, either paying $10 a month or also if you have a qualifying direct deposit. Now, if you're wondering, okay, this sounds like a great option. I want to earn a bonus. Like, do they have any bonuses? And yes, SoFi currently has a hefty bonus that they've been giving out for quite a while. And that is up to $300 if you have a $5,000 direct deposit. Or if you have between $1,000 and $4,999, you do get $50. In my opinion, this is actually one of the big incentives that's been bringing a lot of people into their organization and why I believe they still keep giving it out. Now, I want to be fully transparent here with you. So when it comes to the pros and cons with this organization, the pros is that you do get a high account opening bonus. It's one of the highest ones I've seen for quite a while. Also, you do get ATM access through checking. That means that when you are opening your high yield savings account, SoFi will automatically open a checking account and it will send you a debit card. Now, you can decide to use that debit card or not, but it's just an option that you have in case you want to access your money through an ATM. Now, they also have a bunch of other services. They have investing, they have loans, credit cards, and they make it a very robust financial hub. Now, when it comes to the downsides, of course, is the fact that you do need direct deposit to get the high APY, and you also need to have a minimum deposit, as I mentioned previously, of $5,000 every 30 days in order for you to get your bonus. Now, this account is best for anybody that is looking for a new banking hub, a new financial hub. Maybe you want to have your checking, your savings, maybe investing, your loans, perhaps if you are maybe refinancing student loans, maybe you have credit cards. And if you want to have everything in one place and you want a cash bonus, then I think SoFi is a very popular and great option for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So here's a couple of screenshots proving how the APY works and how you can get the 4.5%. And make sure that when you want to sign up with SoFi Plus to get this 4.5%, you have to sign up by September 3rd. So we got one more week. Today is August 25th, 2025. Okay, now, with this being said, here is additional details on the bonus. The second option we got here, my friends, is CIT Bank. And this is actually an option that I ran into quite a few months ago. I did open an account with them. This one, I did open it for mainly research purposes, just to test it out and see what it's like. And it's very simple. It's very easy to use. And here's what you need to know. The current interest of CIT is 2 tiers. Number one is the 4.0% that they offer you if you have a $5,000 a $5,000 balance or more. That is with the platinum savings option. And you also get 3.9% if you don't have $5,000, and that is with their Savings Connect. Now, one thing that you got to know here is that you do have to have at least $100 to start. Now, CIT, unfortunately, nowadays does not have an account bonus. They used to have one for $300, but they stopped it. I don't know why. I think it's a great incentive for people who are interested in these services in order to sign up and just tip them over the edge, right? That's the way I personally see it. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons of this organization, the pros that I've identified is that, hey, it is a great APY and it's got no special requirements in order to meet that APY. You open your account as long as you meet the minimum threshold, then you start earning from day one. Now, another really cool perk about this organization, it's the long history, right? Because They are a division of First Citizens Bank, which was founded back in 1898. So a long time. So to me, that screams reputation, credibility, stability. And so that's just my personal assessment. Now, when it comes to the cons, of course, the weaknesses, you do need $5,000 to qualify for the high interest. So that could be a deterrent for some people. You also need $100 to start. So you can't just open it quickly and then transfer money later. So you got to just make the process to get your money there. And also, you don't have ATM access. So if you're somebody maybe that wants to have access via a checking, you do have the option to open an e-checking account with CIT, and you will get an ATM card, and then you can access your money that way. Now, this account is best for anybody that's looking for a simple set it and forget it savings account with high interest. Let me know what you think about CIT, by the way, and if you're a customer from any of these organizations, I would love to hear your experience in the comments below. All right, so a couple of screenshots here to show you the current interest rates for 3.9%, and of course, a couple of extra benefits that CIT offers to their clients. Now, the third option I have here for you is just like CIT, where they do provide you with a tiered savings approach, where if you have $250,000 or more, you end up with a 4.1% APY. If you have less than 250K, then hey, check. Then you would get a 3.9%, which is still just as good as I mentioned previously. Now, they don't have an account opening bonus. I don't know about some of these banks that stop offering these bonuses, because I think they are a great way for customer acquisition, really incentivize them in order to sign up with the organization. Certainly, SoFi is doing it, and I think a lot more people should be doing it, right? SoFi keeps doing it. They're investing in their customers, in their services. They're always improving. And so I think all these other organizations should follow suit. Now, when it comes to the pros of Barclays, of course, we got the high APY. They also got credit cards. I used to be a Barclays credit card owner back in the day. I used to have the American Airlines. Now, they also have CDs, loans. It's almost like a mini financial hub, the way I like to think about it. And also, believe it or not, this organization has been in business since the 1600s. So quite a bit, right? Quite a bit. Now, when it comes to the cons, of course, is that you can only transfer or access your money through transferring to another organization. There's no checking, there's no ATM access. And so you only can transfer to a third party, maybe it is your credit union or your main bank, and then take your money out that way. Now, the way I personally see this is for anybody that is looking for a simple set it and forget it savings account with high interest. And also, if you are okay with waiting maybe a couple of days in order to get your money. So if you're a planner, if you are somebody that can wait a few days, 2 to 3 business days is average with these high yield savings accounts and how long it takes to go from one place to another. So if you are okay with all of that, then Barclays could be a great option for you. Maybe you're just more familiar with them. And one thing I'll share here with you guys is that it's not all about the interest rate. Many times we think that, oh, I'm just going to go with the highest interest rate. But one of the things I've learned is that it's also about the comfort, it's about the confidence, the trust, and the familiarity that you have with any organization out there. Now, the fourth option we've got here, my friends, is Discover. And it's not the highest APY out there. It's not the best, but it's also not the lowest, that's for sure. And it's got a specific type of audience that I think could benefit greatly from this option. So Discover is currently offering 3.5%. And they do have an account opening bonus of $150 for at least $15,000. And they give you $200 for at least $25,000 in your account. Now, the pros of this organization, it's got a decent APY. Let's acknowledge that. It also got credit card services available. If you're a Discover credit card holder, like you know that Discover It is actually a really good cashback option for credit cards. They do also have ATM access, and currently they are in the process of merging with Capital One, which will increase the network, it will increase the ATM access. And so I think it's a win for both of these organizations, though the government may have some issues with it, right? Because these are two massive companies merging and the government doesn't like that. Now, when it comes to cons, Discover allows you to have up to 6 withdrawals per statement cycle. That's personally a con that I see. So if you're somebody that it's okay with 6 withdrawals or less in your savings account, if you don't access it that often, then that's good. You are good to go. And the APY could be higher, right? That's another con that I personally see. It's a 3.5%. It could be a little better, but it is what it is. Now, the way I personally see this organization, this is best for anybody who already has Discover products and wants to just keep it all in one place. I was talking to a friend not too long ago, and he mentioned the reason he opened a Discover high yield savings is because he already had Discover credit cards, and it was just no brainer for him, right? He said it was very easy, very simple. In 5 minutes, I have my HYSA. I didn't have to worry about anything else, transferring money, all that jazz. And so that makes sense, right? That makes sense to me. So let me know if you are a Discover customer, by the way, and how you like it. My wife is a Discover customer, and though we haven't used this credit card for a while, it's still a good option for beginners out there. Okay. Now, with this being said, my friends, let's jump on to the next option, shall we? And that is Marcus by Goldman Sachs. And Marcus by Goldman Sachs, I've been a customer of this organization for quite a bit as well, just like with SoFi. And the current interest is 3.65%. Again, it's not the highest one out there, but there are other things that attract their customer base. And I believe it's also a pretty solid option out there. Now, the account bonus that you can get with this organization is that if you have a link, a referral link, then you can get an extra 0.25% APY for 3 months. You can take it all the way up to 3.9%. It's not the juiciest, but it's still something, right? It's still a little bit of incentive. It keeps you on your toes. It keeps you just like, hey, you know what? I'll give it a shot. Now, the pros with this organization is the fact that the best one, I think, is that they give you same-day transfer up to $100,000. Another pro that I identify with this organization is the fact that the branding and its association with the giant in the financial space, which is Goldman Sachs, right? Actually, my wife and I, when we signed up with this organization, we were thinking, oh, Goldman Sachs, it would be kind of cool to sign up with them. And like, I don't know, it just gives you that little like warm and fuzzy feeling of confidence because Goldman Sachs is huge. All right, so now when it comes to the cons, I believe that APY could be higher. They could be a little more lenient and just give out a little higher interest, but it is what it is. And it's also got no ATM access. But personally, I think that's okay because they give you a 100K or less transfer for the same day. And I think as long as we plan, then everybody should be okay with the same day transfer and not having ATM. But certainly I would be. Now, the way I personally see this organization is best for anybody who wants a simple, basic savings account with decent APY and the branding, of course. So the sixth option I love to share here with you guys is LI. Now, LI is one of those organizations that is already well established. It's been in the high yield savings account business since at least 2009 or 10. I actually signed up with them when I first came to the block. Now, they are offering 3.5%, which is not the highest APY out there. They're certainly better. But one thing that I've noticed with these organizations, and it's kind of unfortunate, right? Because you would expect more from well-established and bigger organizations. But it seems like the bigger and more established a financial organization is, then the fewer the incentives they give their customers. And I get it. I understand why, but it's kind of unfortunate because I would hope that bigger and more popular options give you more incentives in order to keep being loyal and stay with them. But it is what it is. Now, LI currently does not offer an account opening bonus. Sometimes what I've seen, they offer $100 here and there, but it's not consistent. And it's something that just went away over the last couple of months since I made one of these reviews and videos. Now, when it comes to the pros, this organization has a decent APY. It's a popular option. It's also a financial hub. They got a bunch of products. And when it comes to the cons, the APY could be higher, I think. As I mentioned previously, we would expect more from these bigger and popular organizations. And the way I see it, this is best for anybody that is looking for a decent APY with a good financial organization. Now, here's a couple of screenshots I love to share with you when it comes to the interest rates and other features. If you are interested in signing up with any of these organizations, I'm going to leave a few links in the description that you can take advantage of it starting today. Remember that these interest rates will start going down soon as the Federal Reserve starts to lower interest rates. So the sooner you start taking advantage of the bonuses and these high interests, then the more money you'll end up putting in your pocket. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe, share it with a friend, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Let me know what kind of questions you got in the comments. Peace.